Yes, students, good morning. So now we are going to start with our next chapter, that is, earlier we have done the Mughal Empire part 1. Now we are going to start with our second part of the Mughal Empire. Under this, students, we will study about the various emperors. First one was Jahangir. After the death of Akbar, his eldest son Salim ascended on the throne. He came on the throne in 1605 AD. As we all know that Akbar died in 1605 AD, so his son Salim sat on the throne after him. At the age of 36 years, he took the great title of Nuruddin Jahangir, or the conqueror of the world. So students, now what you have to do is you have to underline Nuruddin Jahangir, that is the conqueror of the world. और ये कौन थे? जहांगीर, जिनको ये टाइटल मिला था. He was an excellent writer also, whose memoirs, मतलब उसने जो भी सारा अपना जो लाइफ के बारे में पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस था जो सारा, उसने किस में लिखा हुआ था? तुजुक आए जहांगीरी में. यू विल अंडरलाइन दिस बुक नेम. आर एज फैसिनेटिंग एज दोज ऑफ बाबर. बाबर ने भी अपनी तुजुक आए बाबरी लिखी थी. इसके बाद तुजुक आए जहांगीरी जो है ये जहांगीर ने लिखी है. ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्कॉलर्स एंड पेंटर्स लिव्ड एट हिज कोर्ट. और कितने स्कॉलर्स कहते हैं? वेरी इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन्स. और पेंटर्स जो हैं उसके राज दरबार में रहते थे. जहांगीर वॉज ए ग्रेट लवर ऑफ जस्टिस. सो न्याय जो है सभी लोगों को मिलना चाहिए. ऑल शुड गेट द जस्टिस. ही हैड ए बेल फिक्स्ड ऑन ए गोल्डन चेन hung at the gates of the royal palace, his palace. Anyone who pulled the chain was heard and accorded justice, मतलब given justice by him in the first instance, मतलब उसी समय उसको न्याय मिलता था. जहांगीर्स campaigns and conquest. campaigns कहते हैं military expeditions. The first year of his reign, means period, ruling period, was marred means spoiled by the rebellion of his son Preen Khusro, who had got the support of Raja मान सिंह. जिसको किसकी सपोर्ट मिली थी? राजा मान सिंह की. Jahangir defeated him near Lahore and imprisoned him. Imprisoned means when we put some person in prison. The Sikh Guru Arjan Dev, who blessed him, was fined heavily. उनको फाइन लगाया गया. When he refused to pay the fine, he was tortured and put to death in 1606 AD. His next campaign, next military expedition was against the new ruler of Mewar, Rana Amar Singh, who had not submitted to the Mughals. Jahangir defeated him in 1614 AD. After that, he became loyal to the Mughal emperor. His campaigns towards Deccan were not successful. Deccan means when we are moving towards the south side. So these were not successful. Then students, turn your page. Take out page 80. Now Jahangir and Noor Jahan. So you have to underline Noor Jahan was the wife of Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Her original name was Meher-ul-Niza. Now students, what you have to do is you have to underline Meher-ul-Niza. She was a widow and her first husband Sher Afghan was killed in an encounter. Encounter means when he was fighting with somebody, there he died. She was extremely beautiful and highly talented woman. So she is very intelligent and highly talented and very beautiful woman. He consulted her in all the matters related to the government. She started doing all the administrative work, and then she gave proper help to her husband in all the administrative work. Jahangir was addicted to drinking. As he was having the habit of drinking, it affected the health and soon he died in 1627 AD. Noor Jahan ruled Jahangir's empire during the last 16 years of his reign. उसने लास्ट के जो 16 years थे नूर जहाँ ने अपना जो है रूल किया. After his death, she also retired from the court life. Prince Khurram ascended on the throne. Then he came on the throne. कौन आया? उनका बेटा जिसका नेम था प्रिंस खुर्राम. Then Noor Jahan lived for 18 years after Jahangir. She died in 1645 AD. Relation with Europeans. Although the Portuguese, the Dutch and the English had set their foot on India before coming of Jahangir to throne, yet they were not so strong. हालांकि ये तीनों जो थे, ये पोर्चुगीज़, डच और इंग्लिशमैन, इन्होंने अपने पैर जो हैं जमा लिए थे इंडिया में, लेकिन फिर भी दे वर नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. व्हेन द पोर्चुगीज़ वर नॉट कंटेंटेड विद द ट्रेड, दे स्टार्टेड लूटिंग. जब उनकी संतुष्टि नहीं हुई पोर्चुगीज़ के लोगों की, तब उन्होंने लूटना शुरू कर दिया. किसको? द इंडियन शिप्स.